Banana pudding. I'm really too nice, and welcome back to my YouTube. So first, what you want to do is you want to get 2 cups of water into a nice bowl. I'm using the Pyrex. Add your 2 cups of water. Then you want to get some French vanilla jello. Yes, jello. I had a little trouble opening this up, but I got it done, right? Now you want to whisk that in completely with your water and make sure everything is well combined. Now you want to grab a can of sweet condensed milk. Open that up. Now we're going to add that whole can to the pudding and make sure you get everything out that can. You don't want to waste no food. Now you want to grab your whisk and make sure everything is well combined. Now we're going to get a top for the bowl. We're going to pop it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to grab some heavy cream because we're about to make that whipped cream. Get you a good bowl. Now you want to add about 2 cups of heavy cream into the bowl, right? Now get you a hand mixer. You want to mix until it look like this right here. This is perfect. Perfect whipped cream. Now you want to go back in your fridge, grab your pudding. Now we're going to add our pudding to that whipped cream. And what you're going to do right after this is so important. And make sure you listen to this. You want to fold the pudding into the cream, right? Fold it in with like a spatula, whatever you got. Just make sure you do not stir it or mix it with a hand mixer. Please, if you never follow instructions, make sure you follow these instructions because this banana pudding is so fire. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel my bananas and I'm going to cut them up into small slices. I don't want no big slices in my banana pudding. I want it to be perfect. Sort of like the bananas is not even really there. And shout out to the people who don't eat bananas in their banana pudding. It's really not banana pudding, and if you don't put no bananas in it, that don't make no sense. So now what I'm doing right here is I'm going to assemble my bowl. So I add some little wafers to the side. And of course, you got to add that pudding. These steps is not traditional. You don't got to follow how I do it. You don't got to layer it how I layer it. Just make sure you layer it right and everything is good because you really got to be too nice after you make this, right? So I like to add another wafer to the side again and just repeat my steps over and over again until everything is done, until my bowl is full. And now listen to me. I'm not even gonna lie, if you were skeptical about trying banana pudding because you don't like the bananas in it or whatever it is, this recipe right here is for you. I'm telling you. I'm really too nice, and you could really be too nice if you do this recipe correctly, right? So now once everything is done, you want to add that last layer on there. I crushed up some little wafers this time. Then I'm going to add my little wafers on the top. And once you do that, everything is done. But right here, I got a trick for you. And you got to follow this right here. And probably think it might be weird, but why are you being weird to me? Now I'm only playing, all right? So look, now everything is perfect, right? But now we got to take it to the next step. Now we got to add some caramel drizzle on the top. When I say this is fire, I'm really not lying. I'm really too nice. Thank you guys for watching.